usual, and the rest of the group. But yeah, so good to hear you, sir. You find on beautiful signal. Are there something in you down on the shack, Tom, or a new antenna system, over?
I think it's just propagation, Safe. We got some good propagation going today, and yeah, you're booming in here. Very nice. Great to hear you in there. Okay,
Kilo 8 Charlie X-ray.
ZS1 Sierra Bravo Whiskey. Antenna's not on yet, but how do you copy? Kilo 8 Charlie X-ray.
Who is this down on the noise?
Okay, very good. Thanks for the nice report. You're also 5'8" to 5'9", and like I say, the antenna is probably at about 45 degrees.
That's Major Tom.
It should be about
K8CX.
So
whoa!
you're still coming through real nice. Nice to hear you. Thanks for checking in. And yeah, Jim, we're right at the very top edge of that radar, and we got Ola in there, and we got some slow scan guy, and some other guy that keeps calling. So we got it all going on tonight for sure. I'm going to say 7-3 right now, and my granddaughter's in from Pittsburgh, so I'm going to go and see what she's up to. But it's been a fun evening, and we'll catch you all next week. So over to you, neighbor Tim, K3LR, K8CX.
Okay, neighbor Tom, K8CX, K3 London Radio. And great to have you in here, Tom. I hope you come to breakfast one of these times, both on Saturday and Sunday. We got a good group in there, and of course YQ is here, and we are working on the shack here this weekend, and we'll say good morning to Safe, Alpha 71 Alpha Mike, K3 London Radio. Good morning, Safe. Good morning, Tim. Good morning. So nice to hear you. 5 plus 20 as usual, Tim. And I would like to say good morning to
Saif is just running about 100 watts, I believe.
Lloyd, and the rest of the group.
Beautiful.
I can't remember everyone, but yeah. Thanks very much.
Excellent, yes.
Good morning. Yeah, it's great to hear you on, Safe, and hope you can join us more often. I know you're busy over there, but so good to hear your signal. And good morning, Billy. Zulu Sierra 1 Sierra Bravo Whiskey, K3 London Radio. Yes, very good, Billy. You're 5'9 plus 10. 5'9 plus 10 here. So, great signal. Back down to you, Jim, WA3FET, K3 London Radio. Okay, very good, Tim, and great copy. Yeah, we got some kind of static discharge. It might be some clouds going through the antenna, and it's causing the noise to sort of pop. It's like a popping noise, but it's like what you get from snow static, and it's coming through on the antenna right now. Let me give Safe a report there. Safe, with your 100 watts, you were hitting 10 over 9, just fantastic here, and hope the Magic Mountain is doing good today through the clouds up there. It must be cloudy up there right now, in the clouds. 871 AM, WA3FET.
Propagation is gone.
Yeah, was that somebody else, Angel? I got this noise on there. I don't think Safe came back, did he, Angel? I didn't hear him. Yeah, okay. Let me try ZS1 Sierra Bravo Whiskey. Zulu Sierra 1 Sierra Bravo Whiskey. Billy, I just wonder how you're copying there. WA3 Fox Echo Tango. Real fine there, Billy. Same here, 5.7 to 8 on the mountain here off the end of the antenna. So doing good there, Billy. Nice to hear you come in here. Okay, it's really not my turn. It should go, let's see, we got Tim, Nick, Lima, Zulu 1, Japan, Yankee, and then Nick, why don't you bring in Rob and Gunther there, WA3 FET.
Yes, most of them are comfortable.
Rob there, Nick, and Nick, no apologies ever needed from you. You did a great job in trying to bring them in, and please keep doing it, as Tom said. So we understand completely, and no need to worry about breaking in when you got rare DX like that. We love it. Go ahead, Rob. Mike Zero Kilo Papa Delta Mobile, and I don't know if you guys would want to go to 80 meters quick. I know Tim has been anxious to go to 80 meters. We could do that real quick, or if we want to do it another day, that's okay too. Mike Zero Kilo Papa Delta Mobile WA3 FET.
Yeah, no, the knocking noise is back.
Yep, I don't hear Rob. Let's try Gunther. DK5, Rob may be at the petrol station. DK5ONV. Go ahead, Uncle Gunther. WA3 FET. And if you got Colonel Pete, turn it to Colonel Pete.
Thank you very much, Jim. DK5ONV wants to say also good evening to Alpha 71 Alpha Mike. He was doing a pretty good job with just 100 watts. I could hear him with a 57. And also hello to Lima Zulu 1 Juliet Yankee, a little bit weaker tonight. And what were you changing on your microphone, Nick? You sound like you are a block away from the microphone. LZ1 JY DK5ONV.
Nick, are you copying Gunther? He's 20 over 9 here. lost Rob completely. No, he was no signal from Rob at all. He's in a null here or something, but Gunther is 20 over 9, so he just blasted me out. Okay, well, we could try that.
Let's go 80 meters.
Angel, why don't you get Billy there and see if Billy has 80 meters, and we can all go to 80 meters to see if Billy can make the contact with Rob. But
Well,
yeah,
that
I
would
don't
be
have
cool.
any signal from Rob at all now. Nothing at all. Go ahead, Angel.
Okay, Jim, the reason you're not hearing him because Rob is pointing south. He mentioned that he's going to point south to see if he can get Billy. That's why you didn't hear. I heard him all the time, and Nick and I, we were, when you said, oh, I don't hear him anymore, he was talking all the time. And when you send it to Gunther, he was talking all the time.
Crazy. The crazy propagation. Yeah, that's Mother Nature.
South to get Billy.
I know exactly what Angel is talking about. I know about it.
You guys got to go to 80. It's fine. Dennis 1, Sugar
I love ham radio.
This is Whiskey Papa 3 Radio, Angel.
Okay, guys. We probably making a QSY to the 80 meter band, and I'll be right back. I just need to, tuning the antenna and preparing the amp, and we have to find a clear frequency on the 80 meter band, and that would be really cool. Hang on, gentlemen, I'll be right back. 73 is TK5ONV. Hit the button, brother, hit the button. That looks funny, huh? Look at this.